Welcome to Upgrading Daily Life, where automotive legends are revived with precision and passion. Enter the Nissan Silvia S15. Representing the pinnacle of Nissan's S chassis lineage, the S15 is a modern icon. Debuting in 1999, the Silvia S15 marked the end of an era and the peak of refinement. Earlier S-chassis models, like the S13 and S14, laid the groundwork for the lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports coupe formula. The S15 elevated that foundation with sharper styling and more advanced engineering. Its chassis rigidity was improved, the suspension geometry reworked for tighter control. The turbocharged SR20 DET received tuning updates, making it more responsive than ever. With aggressive lines, modernized styling, and a driver-focused cockpit, it quickly became a favorite on both street and circuit. Once the surface is prepped for the new finish, the wheel arches are rolled to accommodate the wider wheels planned for this build. The valve cover receives a deep metallic blue finish, with the iconic twin cam 16 valve lettering standing out. This vibrant color choice is carried into the underhood area, including the inner surface of the hood itself. The full-body respray transforms the S15 into a striking presence. The chassis is enveloped in a rich, saturated blue hue, a finish that speaks of precision and individuality. Careful masking and prep work ensure that the results are crisp and consistent. Once the panels are cured, the surface is expertly sanded to eliminate any remaining imperfections. This sanding phase is crucial. It not only smooths out the clear coat, but also gives the paint a uniform gloss. Before we finish, let's talk about the team behind these projects. Known as KrYpto and WiFe, this duo is based in Japan and proudly hails from Sri Lanka. With a genuine passion for car restoration, they've built a reputation for transforming aging JDM legends into head-turning machines. Their YouTube channel shows technical skill and an enthusiasm that resonates with fans of classic Japanese performance cars. Their hands-on approach, resourcefulness, and dedication are evident in every stage. From bodywork and paint to meticulous mechanical overhaul. In the final stages of the S15 project, a custom rear lip spoiler is introduced, molded in raw fiberglass. After surface cleaning and contour correction, it is mounted and color matched to the body in a deep, metallic blue. Seamlessly integrating with the bumper lines and completing the rear end aesthetic. This final addition gives the car a sharper, lower stance while maintaining aerodynamic functionality. With that, the transformation is complete. Now restored, the Silvia S15 stands alongside the AE86 Trueno and 180SX as the third complete revival in this exceptional series. Each build carried its own identity and obstacles, beginning with the AE86's timeless charm. To the striking dual-color persona of the 180SX, and finally the S15's crisp, polished intensity. Still, they all converge on one thing: a unified mission.